Hey there, add a touch of fun to your garden with the Exhart Fishing Felix Garden Gnome, standing 13 inches tall. This charming gnome sits on a mushroom stool, bringing humor and warmth to your outdoor space. Made from durable resin and hand-painted, it's built to withstand all weather conditions and resist fading. Perfect for fishing enthusiasts, this whimsical statue adds personality to your patio, lawn, or yard. Crafted with artisan skill, it's a delightful conversation starter that brightens any garden. Whether for your own decor or as a thoughtful gift, this gnome creates happy homes and smiling gardens. Trust Exhart's 30 years of experience to deliver quality garden art you'll love. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.